Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y11s, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the phone to an SD card and vice versa. So to get started, I'm gonna capture a couple photos just so I have something to move. There we go, should be enough. So to get started, let's open up our Files app, which looks to be right over here. There we go. And once you open it up, if anything pops up, obviously tap on Continue, Confirm, scroll down, and you should see your two storages. So as you can see, there's the internal storage and then the SD card. And from here, I'm going to begin with the internal storage, which is the start of the device, because it usually contains more stuff in here. So the most important folders here are DCIM, which will contain pictures, videos captured with the phone itself, downloads folder, which will obviously contain downloaded files, and also pictures folder, which will contain screenshots. So from there, find whatever you want to move, copy whatever it is that you want to do, which for me, I believe my stuff is right over here. There we go. As you can see, there's a bunch of photos, and I'm going to just use a couple of them as an example. So now I'll mention also that if your files are, for instance, if you're looking for pictures and they're not on the internal storage, you might also want to look for them on the SD card. You might have, for instance, when you insert a SIM card, chose to directly save to it by default. That will change the storage location basically. But the rest of the folders are primarily empty, assuming you don't have some kind of app that downloads and saves to that specific folder. So getting straight to it, to select your files once you found them, all you need to do is simply hold it. As you can see, it changes, and from here you can simply tap on additional ones if you want multiple files. Now if you want every single file in the photo, every single file in the folder, as you can see, there's several of them. You don't actually have to go and select all of them. You can either tap on the three dots and go to select all. This will select every file in here, or by simply going back and selecting the entire folder. That will include everything that is inside of it. Now whichever way you do it, it's completely up to you. I'm gonna select only a couple files, so just go like so. So once you have it selected, no matter which way you decided to go with, simply tap on the three dots now and choose to either move it or copy it to. Now obviously if you choose to move it, those files will be removed from where they are right now and moved to a new location, while if you choose to copy, it will create duplicates. So I'm gonna go with move. And once you choose one of the options, it will bring up the window right over here. So you can select where you want to move it. To internal storage, just change the location where it is, or to a different storage like SD card, which that's what I'm gonna choose. And from here, as you can see, you have folders, so you can drop it wherever you want. You can either drop it directly to the SD card or navigate to a specific folder if you want to keep it organized. Now I'm not gonna really bother, so I'm gonna choose move here. Just continue and allow access, allow, and there we go. So now if we leave our internal storage and go to the SD card, we should have our photos right at the bottom, and there they are. And that is basically how you copy, transfer files from the phone to an SD card and vice versa. The process works the same way no matter which way you go, and whatever you copy, it's always the same. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.